How are you doing? This is youngjoonsun, online marketer and Amazon FBA seller. Today, I want to talk about selling brand name products that I'm telling you that is the most secured and less risky business model ever that you're gonna be able to tap into. So I will discuss, why is that so. Private label or any other business model that I talked about in different videos that I have, they are all very, very risky. But selling brand name product is not as much risky. I will prove you in this video why. Alright, so what you do when you are dealing with brand name product is you are working with the authorized suppliers. So when you are working with the authorized supplier, meaning that you're gonna be able to become authorized seller yourself, right? So you never have to worry about trademark infringement or copyright infringement, and you will be able to get proper legal documents for you to be able to be qualified to sell brand name products in United States, because that's who you're gonna be working with, authorized suppliers and the distributor in United States, right? So you're gonna be able to become authorized seller in US. And what you do is, as you're working with them, as you build a relationship with them, you're gonna be able to get the list of the products from these suppliers. And when the suppliers are providing you this information, then it does have UPC code, all the ACE number, and you're gonna be able to find out about the product information. So I utilize software to make this process simpler. And with the information, what you're gonna be able to do is you're gonna be able to get the return on investment. So the data shows you which one is profitable items and which one is not. So obviously, if it's not profitable, you're not gonna invest your time into it. You will only invest your time into something that is profitable enough, right? Preferably something that you're gonna be able to make 50% or 100% ROI. Or sometimes if you are focusing with something that is giving you only 20% or 30% ROI, but if it's selling large number, why not, right? Think of this. Let's say it's giving you only 20% of a return on investment, but it's selling over a couple thousand units. Then if you buy only 1,000, then you're gonna be able to sell them in a very short time period, meaning that you're gonna be able to order them more frequently. More frequently meaning that you're gonna be able to make more money within certain time period, right? So if even though it is making you less return on investment, if you are able to turn it around fast enough, then you're gonna be able to make more money within certain time given. So even though it is 20% or 30%, with the days of 30 days, within a month of time period, if you are able to circulate it twice or 3 times, then it's not only 20% in a month. It's only let's say you are circulating it twice, then 20% of twice is 40%. But if it's not 20%, if it's, let's say it's let's assume that it's 30%, then let's say you are circulating 30%. Let's say you are placing an order every 10 days. Then 30% every 10 days, 30% in a month, every 10 days is 90%, right? I mean, I'm just giving you an example how the number can be figured out. So anyway, you're gonna be able to focus and make sure how much you are making before you buy your product, because we never have to deal with paid ads. You never have to deal with giveaways. So when you are running your numbers on Google, Amazon FBA calculator, you're gonna be able to enter in your ACE number, and when you put your cost, how much you are, the price, how much you are selling on Amazon, because even before you buy these items, you're gonna be able to see other sellers how much they are selling these items, right? So you're gonna be able to easily find out how much these items are selling at the moment. And also, as you are working with the suppliers, you're gonna be able to find out how much these items are provided to you. So you will know how much you're gonna buy, the cost, and you will know how much you're gonna be selling. And with the expenses in the between, the Amazon FBA calculator will be giving you how much return on investment that you're gonna be able to make, right? So that's the number right there that you're gonna be able to see, and that is the number how much you are going to be able to make every time. Because like I said, there is no giveaways involved and also no package involved. Okay, that's number one. And number two, we're gonna be able to find out from history of this particular product that you are interested in selling, that you're gonna be able to see how many these items have been selling in the past of 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 6 months, or year. And you're gonna be able to see from the history of this particular product in sales, you will be able to estimate how many these product will be selling in your next future of 30 days. So number one, you know how much is return on investment, the profit, right? And number two, you will know how much and how many you're gonna be able to sell within next 30 days of your time. And if you know these two numbers, you are in a very solid situation. But the thing is, there is this concept called algorithm called the buy box. What the buy box is, let me explain to you once again. I have already explained this information in another video, but just in case those of you who's watching this video for the first time, I will explain it again. What the buy box is, when you go to eBay searching for exactly the same item with a certain descriptions or brand, you're gonna be able to see, let's say 20, 30, 40 different sellers selling exactly the same item with the same image, or maybe a few different descriptions and the name of the title of the product. But you see that they are exactly the same items sold by different seller with the different pricings and listings of every seller that they have listed. But on Amazon, you're not able to do so. You are able to only list once under one ACE number, under one UPC code. For those of you who does not understand what the UPC code is barcode. Barcode is machine readable image, and UPC code is human readable numbers of the barcode. So if you know the UPC code or the ACE number, you will be able to find these items accurately, right? So what you're gonna be doing is that we're gonna be able to list it only once. So when you go to sellercentral.com, instead of creating your own listing, what you're gonna be doing is that you're gonna be entering in your ACE number or the UPC code under add a product section. When you do that, you will be able to see somebody already created the listing. And with this listing, you will be able to see on Amazon.com that you already did your research, how many they are selling next 30 days, and also how much profit that you are making, right? And now what you are trying to do is you are trying to study how many sellers are selling these items and who is winning the buy box. The concept of buy box is when somebody clicking on the add to cart, there is only one seller who's allocated to be able to ship out those merchandise, even though there are numbers of different sellers. Okay, so buy box is the concept of algorithm that Amazon decide who's getting the sale when customer is clicking on add to cart, when there are multiple different sellers under one UPC code and one listing. Okay, so now what happened is that you have three information. Number one, how much the profit is, ROI. Number two, how many you're gonna be able to sell. And number three, whether you're gonna be able to win the buy box or not. With these three information that you already know, even before you make a decision whether you're gonna buy this product or not, it's making you very solid and concrete. Because with this information, you will make sure that you never lose your investment. because you are buying something, huge profit. You're buying something that you know how many you're gonna be selling in next 30 days. And you are buying something that you know that you'll be winning the buy box, that it's giving you assurance that you will definitely be able to make the sale, because you know how you're gonna be able to win the buy box, right? With these three information, you are making your business very, very solid. So these are the information that I'm gonna teach you how you're gonna be able to learn to find your winning items. And also there are a few other things that you need to learn how you're gonna be able to eliminate every possible risks out of your way. So these are the information that I'm gonna share with you, and I'm gonna teach you inside of my coaching. You wanna learn, reach out to me. I'm willing to help you to find suppliers in United States that you become authorized seller, and you always find something that is profitable, that you're gonna be able to sell large number, and also that you're gonna be able to make sure that you win your buy box. Those who's interested in learning from me in private, that I'm gonna be walking you through step by step, reach out to me through Facebook Messenger that I provided. You will be able to make your success with my guidance and help. I will see you through the conversation, and I'll get onto the call with you, and I will help you to make your success. Thank you.